Welcome to Dr. Goals. Today, our topic is to know about the differences between pollination and fertilization. Pollination, which is about pollen grains. Fertilization, which is about the gametes, male and female gametes. The pollination is about pollen grains, and fertilization about male and female gametes. So, what is meant by pollination? The transfer of pollen from anther to stigma. From anther to stigma by the agent, by any external agent, is called pollination. And what is meant by fertilization? In the same flower, the fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. Here we can see the male gamete and female gametes. Yes or no? So, the fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization, and transfer of pollen grains is called pollination. And the pollination process will be occurred outside of the flower by any agent. That means the female gametes will be transferred by an ant or water or air. This transfer occurs only outside of the flower, and the fertilization, the fusion of gametes, will be occurred only within the flower. And next, in pollination, it relies on the external agents. It completely depends upon the wind, insects, animals, or water, whatever it may be. It completely depends upon the external agents only. But in fertilization, there is no involvement of any external agents such as water, wind, or insects. And in pollination, the next difference will be it ensures that male gametes reach the female reproductive parts. And the agent which is useful in pollination, it helps in transfer of male gametes to reach the female reproductive parts. But in fertilization, it ensures the final product of fertilization is zygote after the fusion. And next, the difference is the successful pollination may not lead to fertilization. All pollination process may not lead to fertilization process. But in fertilization, complete fertilization process will lead to complete seed formation and later fruit formation. And next, the difference is it is two types basing on the whether the pollen is of same flower or different flower. That means self pollination or cross pollination, that is same or different flower. And next, the two types are self and cross pollination. And next, the sixth point is it always involves the fusion of gametes regardless of same or different flower. That means there is no difference between same flower or different flower. The fertilization process will be depending upon the only gametes only, which leads to zygote formation and later seed formation. So these are the major differences between pollination and fertilization.